Barney's Book of Boats. It is a perfect day to watch boats in the harbor.
Boats are exciting,
says Barney.
They can be used for fun or work.
My rockabye boat is fun in the tub, boasts Baby Bop. But will it float on the ocean? asks BJ. Baby Bop's boat drifts away. Come back, she cries. Put, put, put. Barney steers the boat.
We'll catch rockabye,
he says. Baby Bop's boat is sailing into really deep water, says BJ.
Now we need a bigger boat,
says Barney. The skipper takes Barney, Baby Bop, and BJ in his boat. The ferry carries people and cars across the water to the other shore. The ocean liner takes passengers on a holiday cruise. Honk! These boats are way too big, says Baby Bop. Where is my rockabye?
The port is where many ships load and unload their cargo,
says Barney. Chug, chug, chug. A tugboat pushes the barge. Ay, 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 says BJ. Tugboats are strong.
Skipper, are there other interesting boats on the ocean?
asks Barney.
Aircraft carriers are so long that airplanes can land on them,
replies the skipper. Cool, says BJ. Let's watch.
Let's keep searching for rockabye,
says Barney. BJ spots a super long boat.
That's an oil tanker,
says the skipper.
We get a lot of food from the sea,
says the skipper.
The trawler has huge nets to catch the fish.
I think I see rockabye, shouts BJ. Rockabye is in trouble, whispers Baby Bop.
It's okay, Baby Bop,
says Barney.
The Coast Guard will rescue rockabye.
Some boats help other boats in trouble, adds BJ. Baby Bop rocks her boat. Thank you for saving rockabye, says Baby Bop.
Thanks for the ride, Skipper,
says Barney.
Boats are super-duper fun.
You bet, adds BJ. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. See you next time.